Okay, that was good. Yes, that was good.
Your Excellency, our very esteemed candidate for the APC in the 2023 general election coming up on the 25th of February this year, and by God, our incoming president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Your Excellency, our vice presidential candidate for the 2023 general election, the passing of His Excellency Kashim Shettima, the Right Honorable Speaker promised to redeem him. He is here to redeem him, so he still retains. We've noted him to the what do you call him, the Emir of Hadija, who chaired our yesterday's meeting with the Traditional Council, in the passing of Alhaji Nuhu Ribadu. My very, very dear colleagues, the National Working Committee, led here by the Deputy Chairman North, Deputy Chairman South, and all the others as they introduce themselves. It is with pleasure and gratitude to Almighty Allah that has made today what it is to us. I express a very special appreciation and gratitude to Almighty God because it is His wish, His making, that we are among the living today. And it is His wish and making that we are all healthy to be here together in this union of the party and our candidates and his team. The double pleasure rests in the fact that Your Excellency, since his nomination as our candidate, this is the day God has chosen that he will visit the Secretariat with his running mate, along with people who are working closely in the campaign effort that we confront. You notice a lull in time, a gap in time between their arrival and this commencement of this consultation with them. Essentially is to meet with tradition, with practice, is here, and we will have to have the opportunity of a brief at some level before we walk ourselves into the mines field. That's exactly what we did. We had some briefing from him and the DG campaign, and we had some very, very useful discussion following that brief. I am sure at some point in this meeting there may be a repeat of some of the things that we did out there before coming here. So it is our pleasure to welcome you most heartily to our office. This is where our great party APC resides. So you are most welcome. And, we will get a word.
I've hit the ground running, and the unveiling of the running mate was made outside this office, and to all the members in attendance that day, we want to say thank you, big thank you again. We've come together as a party, a political party, and we've taken progressivism as our doctrine. Yes, we have to be progressive in our thinking, in our deeds, in our objective to serve the country. Yes, the democracy is challenging. It's very, very hard and difficult system to manage. We have seen challenges left and right, outside, international sphere of politics. But we are determined, as we have been, to make sure that we democratize Nigeria fully and fully so. And we remain, a beacon of democracy as the largest nation of black race in the world. Thank you very much for the good job you have been doing, to all of you. That is sincere. And thank you for cooperation and collaboration. Equally, let me thank the chairman for various wisdom and interaction that we have been having together. I give the lies to the rumor manufacturers. I read in some papers disagreement between myself and the chairman. That's a lie. A very big lie. We come a long way, they didn't know. And you see, the big masquerade dance and not syndicate in the market square. And that is what Adamu is to me, full of wisdom, and we were governors together, and God has put us together on this project again, and He's going to deliver. He's going to deliver as the chairman of party when I become the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I'm so confident about that, you know, they can say whatever they want to say, they can throw all the jabs and gibberish that they want. We are a party strongly determined to fulfill our dreams of turning Nigeria to a very progressive, highly developed, prosperous country. What we came here today to discuss is about the campaign. It's few days away when INEC will leave the bank. How do we work details? How do we work together? How do we, you know, that we have been saying, who are members, who may not be members? If you are left out, don't be angry because we give you another responsibility. Not every member in here can be presidential campaigner and so on and so forth. The national chairman will elucidate further on that. Mine is to say on behalf of myself, the team of the presidential campaign, and particularly let me commend the DG of the campaign, the secretary to the presidential campaign. They have worked hard to bring this report about, and for you to have this report on the organization structure. If they need panel beating, then you do so. It's not a red card that we brought. I must note one thing. This is truly a progressive conference room.
Digital.
It's digital. Yes. It's looking new and brighter, and so it means we are bringing brighter hope and progress to the country. Thank you.
My president, Jagaba! I swear to overcome you, Jagaba!
Value. We are not bickering in any way, you know that. And can you say that of the other parties? And we are not spewing out fake statistics and wrong figures. Can you say that of any other party? We are what we are, a progressive party.
Lastly, what is the purpose of this meeting?
The purpose of this meeting is to consult further the organization structure for the campaign, for us to harmonize any fear and to make sure that we have an inclusive, all party and all hands on deck to make sure we are victorious during the election.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Thank you very much, sir.